Hello and welcome to Piko Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to input a line crossing analytic on a specified camera. What you would do is you'll select the camera of choice that you'd like to input that plugin on. You'll right click on that camera, go to Camera Settings. From there, move over to Plugins, down to Piko Analytics. Make sure the Piko Analytics tab is clicked. From there, you can choose object detection, line crossing, heat mapping. Today, we're going to go ahead and select line crossing. From there, you'll enable line crossing. You'll select a name for the line, and then you'll click in the line. You'll then create a line wherever you'd like, whether it be an entrance or just the middle of the room. Select OK. From there, you're going to decide your sensitivity level, how much of that person you want to cross that line, whether it's 50, 100, or 0. Select OK, and now your line crossing analytic is in place. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials, and please join us for any other additional tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel, or you can visit us here at pikovms.com for more documentation and downloads.